Welcome to the future of environmental restoration. Our planet is facing unprecedented environmental challenges. But what if we could address them at a molecular level? Imagine deploying swarms of nanobots, each smaller than a grain of sand, programmed to clean pollutants from our air, water, and soil. These autonomous nanoswarms could reverse environmental damage at a molecular level, offering a groundbreaking solution to global pollution. However, designing nanobots that target specific pollutants without disrupting natural ecosystems presents a significant challenge. Additionally, ensuring their deactivation or safe removal after their task is crucial to prevent unintended consequences. The solution? Developing biocompatible nanobots with precise targeting mechanisms to seek and neutralize pollutants without harming the surrounding environment. These nanobots are programmed with a finite operational lifespan, or include a safe self-destruction mode, ensuring they deactivate or disassemble harmlessly after completing their mission. The potential applications are vast, from restoring the health of our oceans and purifying the air we breathe to rejuvenating contaminated soil, enabling it to support life once again. Researchers around the globe are already laying the groundwork for this incredible technology. The journey from concept to reality is filled with challenges, but the promise of a cleaner, healthier planet drives innovation forward. Autonomous nanoswarms for environmental repair. A tiny solution to one of our biggest problems. Stay tuned to our channel for more updates on this fascinating journey towards a sustainable future.